Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Gio from Robinhood Investing with Gio, and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy this content, consider subscribing or liking the video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Now let's get into the news. Alright guys, so as you see the headline, Bitcoin did it again. They have officially broken 24K. And any of you that have not been following Bitcoin for the past month or maybe the last 8+ months, this thing is on quite a run. We see back in March, this thing was trading around, the coin itself was trading around $5,000. Ever since then, it just skyrocketed. If you're familiar with the coin, you'll probably know this was around 20K a few years back before it ultimately came crashing down. But this time around, there seems to be a lot more of a bullish outlook on the coin. Part of that reason is because a lot more big institutions are getting on board. Some of the headlines you're reading right now are, you have things like PayPal that they figure that Bitcoin will be the center of people's financial lives. You have JP Morgan saying of the demand for Bitcoin, of how it's coming in the near future. You have other demands like Bitcoin, like analysts predicting that Bitcoin could go up to 500,000. And another prime catalyst is obviously when you have the backers such as Cathie Wood that also predicts it could potentially reach $500,000. You have just a lot of people behind the coin and believing that it's something that it's needed for most investors to be invested in. Me personally, I don't have a lot of funds to invest in Bitcoin, otherwise I would, but I think, and this is not financial advice, this is just my personal opinion, I think that Bitcoin is an absolute amazing thing, or amazing coin to be invested in, to hedge off against a weak US dollar. In a way, traditionally people, when they were hedging off against when weak fiat currency was popping up, they would invest in gold. That's one of the things that people have a tendency to kind of like feel comfort in investing in gold when the economy is doing bad and the dollar's doing bad. But I think Bitcoin is actually going to be the new gold. So when you have JPAL pumping up the market and printing money left and right, I think that Bitcoin would be the currency that probably will be the strongest. And personally, speaking for myself, I think it's absolutely essential to have investors that need to hedge off against weak markets by investing in Bitcoin. There was this notion that Bitcoin used to be just something for drugs and for illegal activity online, but I think the coin has evolved a lot, and also the fact that it has so much backers currently, big institutions, big corporations, big names on Wall Street. I think the future is very bright for Bitcoin. Do I think it'll reach $500,000? I can't say, but do I think it's going to go a lot? It's going to run a lot longer, or the price is going to go a lot higher from here? That I do believe. And again, it's just my opinion, and it's not financial advice. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a breaking news update. Bitcoin officially hit $24,000 plus. Absolutely incredible. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, commenting, liking it. I'd greatly appreciate it. And let me know what you're doing. Are you holding on to Bitcoin? How many coins do you have? Or are you still sitting back on the sidelines until you see it drop a little bit? Comment down below. All right, everyone. Take care now. See ya.